Nandito tayo sa North Susana Village, Quezon City. Ayan, punta muna tayo ng Luzon, guys. Bibili muna tayo ng buko salad. Ayan. Buko lang, buko para gawing salad. Ayan guys, along North Susana Village ito, guys. Ayan. Thank you so much. Ayan ang ating kasama katampi dyan. Ayan, palabas pa to, guys, sa Commonwealth. Palabas Commonwealth Avenue. Ayan, Quezon City. Ayan, palabas tayo. Galing tayo ng North Susana Village. Hello, shout out sa Team Happy, ang ating founder, walang iba, Ma'am Ching Silisnino, co-founder Ma'am Apple Lila Cross. Ayan, ayan. Maliwanag pa sa sikat ng araw, ayan. Ayan guys, palabas na ito, guys, North Susana papuntang Commonwealth Avenue. Ayan guys, Commonwealth Avenue, ayan. Okay, nakikita nyo na yung nakikita ko, guys. Ayun. Ayan ang Commonwealth Avenue. Okay. Okay, dito muna tayo, guys, kasi mainit ang panahon. Ayan, kita mo naman, guys, ayan. Okay. Good luck and God bless all the time. Happy Sunday.